Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a June 19, variant 33, question number 7. Okay, and the topic is distance. Actually, this is our distance time graph. We have distance here, kilometers given. There's distance kilometers, and there's a time in hours. Okay, okay. We are starting from here, and before I start, okay, because a lot of trouble is here of units. So the best technique, convert this one. So this is a, if I check it here in the, because I can't make an all diagram here. So if you look at carefully, so 6 boxes are there. So I can show you 6 boxes. So once I show you, then okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 12:30. So this is 30 minutes. And 30 minutes divided by 6 boxes. So 30 minutes divided by 6 boxes will give you 5 minutes. So it means I can say that one small box equal to 5 minutes on x-axis. Okay. So now here, 20 here, then I check it with the 4 boxes. So this is the 4 boxes, you can see. So 20 by 4, we got 5 kilometers. So I can say that this is a one small box equal to 5 kilometers. Okay. So this is clear. Now it will help us to solve the question easily. Okay, let's start. And one more thing I tell you. Okay, that's in the middle of question. Calculate kilometers per hour speed. And we don't know, we have one rule only for a distance time graph. Only one rule. That is gradient of the line is represented by speed. Okay. So he is asking find speed between station A and B. We have one station A here, station B here, and station C here. The train leaves the station A here, and time is not 12:30. Time is here, and this is in the middle. So this is actually 13 and 45. Okay, so time the train leaves 13:45, and this is a reaching time 14:30. So this is a reaching time, so 14:30. Okay. And y coordinate is this one, and that is a 18 with 90, because 2 boxes are 90, so 90 kilometers. So repeat again for you, this is a 14, 30, 90. And here we can say this answer, this value is 13, 45 and comma 0. Okay. Now in your mind, this question comes how to apply the formula, because gradient formula all of you know. So y2 minus y1 over x2 over x1 is a gradient formula. Issue is how to put the values. Y2 is not a hard. 90 minus 0 is not a hard task. But tough time is there. How deal with these things? And I tell you one criteria. There's 2 methods. Okay, I always say like 15 minutes is counted as 0.25 quarter. And 30 minutes count as a half, so 0.5. Okay, 45 minutes counted as a 3/4, so 75. But if you don't know, no problem. So we can do another way. How come 14:30? 14:30 means 14 plus 30 by 60. So when you deal it, cancel 0.5, it becomes 14.5. And I said you 30 means 0.5. So this is coming 14.5, 90. Similarly, this is coming 13.75, 0. So I hope so now you got a real picture. And y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's see. So it is coming 14.5 minus 13.75. And answer is coming 120 kilometers per hour. So sharp. You can type in calculator even. Part B. The train leaves station B at 14:40. So you can see here, station B is here. So this is you can see here 2 boxes gap. Okay. It means 1 box is a 5 minute, 2 minutes is a stay here, and then he leaves from here. Okay. So he says there, okay, how many minutes the train stop at station B? 2 boxes, 1 box, 5. So you can say the answer is simply 10 minutes. Our answer for this part. Okay, let's go for the next one. Train travels at a constant speed between station B and C. So actually B, this is the station B. Now it will go this way. So let's decide. Okay, and 15:20 arriving time. 15:20. And you know 5 is so 1 box back. Here we have 4 boxes. So 6 boxes we have here. Okay, so 6 boxes, and you know, 1 box back is a 5, and sorry, it is a 20, 15, 20. So yes, 1 box back and 2 box back. This is a 15, 20. This point is a 15, 20. Okay, so it arrives at station B. Okay, graph complete. And station C is here. They meet here. You can see here. They go here and meet at this point. Let me make a rough diagram. This is the point where they meet. So let me make that diagram complete. So you can see here that from here till that, this is my answer. This, okay. You can see this, so it means that this is the diagram. Okay. So this is let's steeper a little bit. Okay, I'll make it again because say this next part depending upon this. That is why I'm showing you. Okay. So this point a little bit forward here. So my opinion, it is somewhere here. Okay. So anyway, so make it here and this one. Okay. Now, one of the reason I made like this is in front of this sign and that sign. Okay. So train leaves. Okay, it is done. On which part of journey was train traveling faster? And I just to give you a basic idea. So for example, this is a zero gradient. This is a little bigger, and you know, more steeper, bigger gradient. So he's asking which between station A, B is more train faster or B, C more faster. I can see this is a more steeper, this is a less steeper. I can show you even here. This is a steepness, okay, and this is a less steeper. This is a more steeper. So I can say that this is a faster, this is a slower. So station between A and B is our answer. So A station and between B station. So another train leaves station C at 12:45. 12 is here, 30 is here, 45 is in the middle here. Okay. This is a 12:45. Okay, station that, but it will not leave from here, leave station C. So it means go up here. So station, the second train leaves from here and it travels station A, constant speed. This is speed and without stopping at B. It means it will not stop here. It will continue and come here somewhere on the line of A here. Okay. So he's asking work out how long, how in hours. And you know formula we have distance equal to speed into time. I'm looking for time. And distance by speed is our question. Okay. So time. Distance what? Between two stations, 0 and here is the 105 down, 155 kilometers. So 155 and divide by time. So if it's speed is given here 62, and when I type in calculator and I got the answer 2 hours and 2.5 I got answer 2.5 hours. But trouble, he said given hour and minutes. So these two we can say 2 hours, but how to convert 5? I said 5 minutes is 30 seconds. So we can write here 30 minutes, sorry, not 30 seconds, 30 minutes. Or you can do 0.5 divided into 60 will give you 30. This is way number 2. Okay. So let's go for the next one. Write the time this train arrives at station B. So what, okay, now you can see that because it starts from here in this time, if I add this time, I get my answer. So write down the time. So starting at 12:45, this is the time starting, and this time takes how much? 2.5 or 2 hour and 30 minutes. If I add, I got a 75 and 75, 60 gone, 75, 60 gone, 15 left. So 15 one carry here, 14, 15. So 15, 15 is the time when it arrives there. On the grid show the journey. So 15, 15 is where? 15, 15. So 20 here, 1 box back here. So I have to join it, and let's see how I join it. This is a way of joining. Okay. So this is the joining we have, okay, and what last part here showed us. Now find distance between station A. So from this line, not from the top, from this line, how much distance they meet. If I check it here, the meeting point here, go and check. It is something a 60 kilometers answer. So if we had 60 kilometers, and you can see the mark scheme, the answer is between 60 to 64, 5 kilometers, all answers are correct. and that's it, and the question is over. So make